Let me show you how to get these live wallpapers on your Mi Band 4. It's obvious that you might feel bored looking at your band's static wallpaper, and who would not like a better upgrade? As Mi Band 4 supports custom themes, we were able to find some amazing live wallpapers for this band. Let's get right into the tutorial. I'm assuming that you have connected the band to your phone using Mi Fit app. If you haven't done it yet, do it fast and follow these procedures. I personally recommend you to install Mi Band 4 Watch Faces app, which has a good collection of both live and static wallpapers. As always, all the links are available in the description. Open the Mi Fit app and go to the profile section where you can find your own device, that is the Mi Band 4. Go back to your Mi Band 4 Custom Watch Faces app and select the wallpaper which you personally like. Now, go to the Mi Fit app. Now, sync that watch face shown in the screen. Tap sync and wait for a couple of seconds. Once it's completed, you have achieved your live wallpaper. Thanks for watching everybody. Subscribe to Android Organization for more videos.